how to download music from YouTube on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download music as an MP3 file from YouTube on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So unfortunately, there is no way to do this within the YouTube app on our iPhone. So to do it, we need to open up a browser and you just want to navigate to studio.youtube.com. Log into your account. And once you log into your account, it may open up the YouTube app again. But what you want to do is open up the browser, reload studio.youtube.com until you see this screen right here and select continue to studio. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the YouTube studio and it'll be in desktop mode like this. Simply pinch and zoom. And we just want to scroll to the left and select the little music icon right there. So now we'll be able to see a full list of all the songs that YouTube has offered for us to download as MP3 files. And if you zoom in, you can play them and you'll be able to hear them. And once you play the song, you'll be able to go to the right and select download. So I can download this song as an MP3, as you can see. And once it downloads, I can open up the song and I can play it just like I would any other MP3 on my iPhone. So that's how you download songs from YouTube on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.